This one you sent this one to me. Very interesting. This one also gets me going. The UE Fits are true wireless earbuds which mold to your ears.
They do, yeah. Very cool.
Like, you don't have to go see a special doctor. You don't have to go see a special audio person to have these molds made, which in the past, if you wanted custom earbuds, that's kind of the story. Or they would send you a kit at home, and then you would send the molds, and then they would build the earbud. No. I'm talking about something that comes in a package. You plop it in your ear. The mold sets to your specific ear canal and the shape of your ear, and then it stays hardened forever in that shape afterwards. It's a kit that you do the whole thing at home, and the mold is taking place on the actual earbud that you will use. No delay. The ear tips are filled with gel and harden when you trigger the molding process from your phone. There's an app that goes with them. They're not going to be cheap. We're looking at about $250, but believe it or not, Will, compared to what custom earbuds would have cost you in the past, it's not that pricey. And what are the advantages? Let me tell you. You don't necessarily need to rely as much on some kind of active noise canceling when you have such a precise fit.
Right.
Now the passive noise canceling can be enough. You know that feeling of fatigue? Have you ever taken a flight on an airplane? Have you ever? You've been on an airplane? You got the earbud in, and after a while, I'll tell you what, after a while, I mean, you're on like hour number 3 or 4, the ear canal starts to feel the fatigue. It just gets a little bit sore. I mean, you can still keep doing it, but it's a little fatigue. Never mind if you're kind of leaning on that side of your head because you've been on the flight forever. When you get that custom fit and it's shaped so perfectly to your anatomy, you don't even know it's there. You don't even feel it. And for these other people that have had the AirPods and whatever else, and they're out there doing the jogging and the weightlifting, and these are falling out because it truly isn't one size fits all. They're fine for me, they stay in, but some people tell me I can't keep it in my ear.
Right.
Oh, you're going to keep this one in your ear. So this is a huge development. I'm very excited. We need to get in touch with these people. I need to try out the Instant Fit. I am super curious about this because I've always avoided the custom earbud because of the process to do it. I've tried them in the past, but it's such a process if you ever want to change them out. And here we have true wireless, which, you know, the convenience factor over here with a true wireless, but often with the custom sets, you would only ever do it on a wired pair, much more expensive pair. That was really only where it made sense. So anyways, the way this works, apparently it's got some kind of, it uses a light form technology combined with embedded LEDs in the earbuds. It molds the tip to your unique ear contours in under a minute. Then once the tips are hardened, they stay that way. They're going to be capable of 8 hours continuous battery life with 20 hours when you factor in the charge case. Many color options, gray, lilac, purple, and navy. They're shipping in the fall. And they give you a 30-day perfect fit satisfaction guarantee. If for whatever reason you screw up the mold, I guess, I don't know. But I'm very excited about this. So we need to reach out to UE and see if we can have that experience ourselves.
For sure.